Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my Module 1 for AEP 800. A little bit about me. I'm 31 years old. I've been married for 3 years. I have a 5-month-old son. His name is Brooks. I graduated from Kansas State University with a degree in elementary education in 2011. And I work for Topeka Public Schools. We're a pretty large school district here in Topeka, Kansas. It's currently my 7th year teaching. My first 3 years I spent teaching 4th grade, and now for the last 4 years I've been teaching physical education. I currently teach at State Street Elementary School and work with students in grades kindergarten through 5th grade. I'm also the defensive coordinator at Topeka High School, and I also am an assistant track coach at Topeka High School. As far as technology goes, I think it's a great tool to engage students. It also reaches all types of learning styles, and it can provide lifelong technology skills that students can learn to use after high school, that can help them get a job, that can help them work in today's world. And when it's used in the right way, it makes learning a lot more fun. I know that I enjoy doing assignments like this, using technology a lot more than just doing your regular reports. Like it used to be back when I was in school. Technology that I use, currently in PE, we always use our computer and projector. We do a lot of things, putting videos up on the board for dances or yoga and things like that. We've also used Xbox Connect and Wii's, which get students moving in a fun way. And then for school, we use Google Sheets and Drive and slides and all that stuff. Critique of my technology. I feel like I could definitely use more technology. I need to do a better job of taking advantage of the technology that's in my school. We have iPads that are available to us to use all the time, and we have not really used them for PE, but I've talked with my co-teacher about ways that we could use them. And we are currently working on ways to find more funding or get grants so that we can get more technology that we can use for physical education. Funding, it's been kind of a hard thing for us here. We get about $500 a year, which is enough to replace our current equipment that gets damaged or misplaced. And with more funding, some of the things that we would like to get are heart rate monitors, step counters, and health trackers. I feel like that'd be something beneficial for our kids to be able to wear around, and a great way to be able to collect data that we could put into the system and keep track of, as our students go through school and see how they progress in their time here. Plan to help improve my current practices. First, I know I need to increase my knowledge of the technology that's out there. Taking college classes like this is a great way for me to do that. And also, in our large district, we get to talk with the other elementary PE teachers a lot. And I feel like I can get some really good ideas for them for how they incorporate technology. Also, like I said before, find ways for funding and grants, and which is what we're currently doing right now. And also, I'm planning on trying to use some of the technology that's available for us to use in the school. And that is my presentation. Thank you for listening.